Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials, a recovery email or phone, and a clear idea if this Google account is personal or a channel brand. Open accounts. Google. And click Create Account. Choose for myself or to manage my business based on your plan. Enter your name, desired email, and a strong password. Make it unique. Once done, add the recovery phone or email when prompted so you can recover access quickly if needed. Next, verify ownership. Google will send an SMS or call. Enter the code to confirm the number. Then review privacy and personalization options. Toggle add personalization and location settings according to your comfort because they affect channel data. Make sure to enable two-step verification now. Use SMS or an authenticator app for stronger security. Once enabled, check account recovery details again, and optionally add a backup email. Finally, go to YouTube, click your profile icon, and select Create a Channel. Choose to use your name or a brand account for separate channel management. Add a profile image and basic channel description, then visit YouTube Studio to upload artwork and your first video. If you hit errors, verification failed or channel creation blocked, clear your browser cache, use incognito, try a different device, or request a new verification code. That usually resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.